Are you a non-techie interested in understanding encryption? Then stick around as I will explain what it means in plain English and how it works. I will also show you how to use the Caeser Cipher and give you an insight into showing what encrypted data looks like on a database. What is encryption? Picture having messages that you only want you and your client to be able to read. Encryption is like having a special code, and unless you have that code, you won't be able to read the messages. When you encrypt a message, you use an encryption algorithm and a key. The algorithm converts plain text to ciphertext, so it looks like a string of random characters. And to read the message, the recipient needs the correct decryption key. That means even if the message is intercepted, you can't understand it without having the key. In this example, let's consider using the Caeser Cipher. This is a simple encryption technique where you take each letter in the plain text and shift it by a certain number of places in the alphabet. For example, if we take the first 5 letters of the alphabet and shift this by 3, then A would become D, B becomes E, C becomes F, and so on. So without knowing the shift value, decoding the message will be difficult. So the shift value is actually the key to this encryption method. So if we use the encryption key, 3, and then convert the word hello, it comes up with KHOOR. So now a little test for you. See if you can decipher this code here. It's using the same key of 3. Now, if you want to cheat, just use this prompt in something like ChatGPT. So pause the video now, decipher, and enter your answer in the comments below. Okay, and now the reveal. There's always time for chocolate. So on this screen, we have 2 connections to a database. Now in the database, the data is stored in encrypted fields. So the top half of the screen, we're connecting to it without using the decryption key, and the bottom half, we're connecting using the decryption key. So if I execute without, you see it returns random text that no one can understand. However, if I execute it with using the key, it comes back in plain English. And that's it. That's encryption. To learn more, follow the link in the description and download our ebook, Demystifying TechSpeak, where it contains several more terms all explained in plain English. Thank you for watching. Toodles.